Hello YouTube friends, I'm back again with a part 2 of this fried cabbage, fried potatoes, bacon, onion, cast iron skillet, cast iron cooking. Got that cast iron skillet, cast iron pot, large skillet on this hot plate, and this large skillet, my new large skillet I just bought last weekend, covered in aluminum foil to hold the heat in. Previously made a video, started some cabbage, potatoes in a skillet, preheated the skillet with onions and bacon, lard and Crisco. I really like this new large skillet. Awesome. Check that out. Cabbage went away to nothing, but it's still in there. Got some bacon. Fried cabbage, fried potatoes with some bacon and onion for flavor on a hot plate. That's the finished product, part 2 of the previous video. Gonna eat good tonight with some fried potatoes and cabbage, bacon. Probably put that on some bread and eat a sandwich out of it. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else, doing some camping, fishing, truck camping, cooking on a Coleman stove, cooking on a fire on Cherokee Lake or Nolechucky River. I'll be camping, cooking somewhere. Have a good day.